We are no ordinary factory, but your professional security manufacturing partner. Hello, everybody. I'm Yu Yuqiao from Black Hawk Speed. Focus on cross-border e-commerce. Provide cost-effective products. Next, I would like to introduce a new product to you. Black Hawk Vista QR UV binocular gun ball. Next, we see QR. This minimalist streamlined fuselage. It is very small and light. And then, it imitates the skin feeling of milling. The material is very thick. Then the key point is to put forward. This is the embedded one. This kind of suspended roof, the light lens use. It's an imitation of a new energy car. This diamond cutting process, it is multi-angle, diamond polishing. Then it's carrying. There are warm lights and infrared lights. In the night mode, illumination of warm light lamp is very uniform. There is also this classic fashion color matching of black and white. Self-developed multi-angle bracket. Install it for everyone to demonstrate. Well, it can be hoisted and wall-mounted. Integral support molding. Very convenient. Power supply optional UV 1.3A Type-C interface. Then what? This is TPC IP66, waterproof grade, fit together perfectly. The waterproof grade is very high. Silicone plug reset key. You don't have to open this rubber plug. It can be reset with one key.
Restore factory settings. Please don't power off.
Every detail are designed for the target market. In value is competitiveness. 4 MP binocular gun ball, equipped with the 3.6mm lenses, double lens and double picture. Wider signal antenna with excellent ratio of 3 dB. Brand new Wi-Fi comes with Bluetooth distribution network. 30-meter AI humanoid detection, intelligent tracking and detection of regional intrusion. AI alarm voice DIY. Next, watch the video effect together. Exquisite small package. 2025 new AI blue color matching. 50 units each. Reduce shipping costs by 20%. Let the repurchase rate soar. Wufu power supply is stable, suitable for indoor long-distance electricity environment. In Wufu, small-sized products. Choose our private model products. The performance is also beaten. Can reduce your after-sales costs. It is also the password for a long-term explosion. I believe everyone has seen this product. Very exciting, just like the customer said. Have XP. Finally, there is a Wufu private model product. There is still a lot of market space. Why don't you try it too?